Hello my dear resinist friends. In this video I will do an easy project. This is a memorial lamp and I hope you enjoy the process. In this video I am working in collaboration with ICE International. And first of all I want to say welcome again and long time no see. I'm going to stop complaining about my horrible English and I am going to assume you are already resigned. And thanks to all those kind people who have asked me to continue with the videos in English, this is for you. I'm using this bottle and I am just put some clear tape around and I put something heavy inside because this will be my center. I mean to leave a hole in the middle of the little lamp. I'm using deep pour from Max Epoxies and this ratio is 3:1. So I'm putting a 300 par A and 100 par B. What I like the most about this really cool resin is that it's easy to use and it's clear and shiny, and I can do a lot of things with this, like lamp and pyramids and things that need to be deep. And the truth hardens very well even when used in small quantities. What I'm trying to do is to put in 3 different shades of blue, but here in my country, in where I live, it's a little bit cold, so this really retards the exothermic reaction and allows the colors to be integrated instead of leaving them separated. So if you want a divided set of colors, you should probably work in layers. I'm going to use a plastic container as a mold, something very easy to find at home. Now I am adding some crystals and I am ready to pour. As the curing time is long, it gives the color time to integrate with each other. It's wonderful to find a resin that is in charge of killing the bubbles for me. I will add a little bit of silver leaf. And again, this will go into the top because we have a lot of time for curing. Be patient and really enjoy this process. This is a healing project for me. So when you do something like this, just put all your feelings on it. I am using a little bit of black to do the things a little bit darker, and I don't know if this exactly works. Now it's time for the molding. I am using just a scissors and I just really break the plastic and I just take out of all of the stones for the little bottle, and I broke that again, and it really was easy, so I hope you don't have problems with this part. I think I took all my anger out with that piece of plastic. Since the top still looks like a bottle, I am going to sand it with the Dremel to make it a little less obvious. When you put the glass beads, be careful to remove all the encapsulated hair. I think this process won't take you more than 20 minutes, and you can do this with things that you have at home, and that's why I think this is really easy to do, and we don't have to use heavy machines or big polish machines. I don't know how to say it, so please give it a try. It's something really easy. I'm just sanding a little bit more the bottom, and I will use some nail files or nail sander. These are great to use with resin, they make the job so much easier. I would like to tell you why this is a memorial lamp. And the thing is that I was pregnant, and this past month I lost my baby, and I have something I want to do something really meaningful, and that helps me to heal and process all my feelings. And I thought in do something with light. And that's it. I am doing this memorial lamp for my little baby. That now it's another treasure in the heaven for me. I will apply a little bit oil. This is oil for wood. And I will suggest you that always that you do something for someone you loved or you miss. Put all your heart on that piece, and your feelings will be healed. Not immediately, of course, but this will help a lot in your process of healing. And of course, I put a little bit more of gold leaf, but in this case it's silver leaf. I call my little baby June, and I cut a vinyl with the name. I will put the name inside the candle, inside the lamp. And if you use a lighter color in the resin, you can use, of course, acetate sheet. I made this with a mom holding her baby with angel wings, and that's the way I saw my baby, with wings. So you can put inside the acetate sheet, but you need to have a clear resin for these works. I'm using a protector paper or transport paper to put the vinyl inside. I didn't want the name jump or seen so much, so I put a clear color, but if you wish, you can put black vinyl. That will look so much more intense. And let me tell you something else. If you recently lost someone you love, I'm with you. I understand you, and you're not alone. And always think that those angels now are watching you, and they will be proud of you. And of course, you have to live the way they will love to see you. And I mean with happiness. And I think this is the way we honor them, trying to do the best as we can and try to live happy and growing every single day, because they will love to see us be happy. And of course, I am talking a lot of this, but I am healing, and I hope that you find the strength to grow in the feeling and to overcome all the bad things that you feel. But that's it. And I'm sure that if you smile when you remember them instead of cry, they will smile with you too. I hope you enjoy this video and do something easy and meaningful for you. And please try to keep going with happiness. I send you all my love and a big hug. And remember that this is useful. Subscribe or share. I will appreciate it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.